Want to create a beautiful collage animation like this? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a stunning collage animation using Canva, step by step and super easy. First, go to Canva and choose a video format page. This will be the base for our animated story. Next, go to the videos section and search for an old TV clip. This will give our video a vintage cinematic feel. Now drag the video onto the page and set it as the background to create a dynamic base for the scene. Then go to the Elements tab and search for collage letters. These will help us create bold, eye-catching titles. Now, select individual collage letters to spell out the planet Earth and arrange them on the screen just the way you like. Once your letters are in place, apply the scrapbook animation to give them a fun cutout motion effect. Next, create a second page and use collage letters again to write the big extinction. This will introduce the dramatic turning point in the story. Now animate the title with the scrapbook effect, again to keep the visual style consistent and engaging. Now let's add some motion. Search for a hand element, place it on the page, and get ready to create a smooth, match and move animation. Now duplicate the page and increase the size of the Earth element slightly. This will create a zoom-in effect when we animate it with match and move. Next, search for videos that match your story, like jungle scenes, dinosaurs, or the asteroid, and place each one on a separate page to build your sequence. And here's the final result, a cinematic animated story made entirely in Canva.
Planet Earth, a world full of life and wonder. But 66 million years ago, a massive extinction changed everything. Earth thrived with oceans, forests, and incredible creatures until destiny approached from deep space. A vibrant world filled with towering trees, roaring dinosaurs, and endless life. From the depths of space, a giant asteroid hurtled toward Earth, unstoppable, unimaginable, and carrying the power to change life forever. Life continued, unaware of the looming disaster. Dinosaurs roamed freely under golden skies, herds moving across vast green lands. The Earth, so full of beauty and strength, had no idea that its greatest challenge was just moments away. But then a shift in the sky. The dinosaurs looked up, their world suddenly falling into chaos. The unstoppable force had arrived. The Earth trembled, a final roar echoed. The end of an era, but not of life. The once thriving world fell silent. What was once alive now lay still in the dust. The echoes of a lost era, forever captured in time. The world changed forever, and a new chapter began. The end of an era, but not of life.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.